back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make these amazing little mac and cheese with ham pies. Alright, a really simple recipe. Let's get on with it. First thing I've got is some store-bought puff pastry. I'm just going to cut out the pastry I need for our bases of our pies. That bowl works absolutely perfectly for making the right size that I need to make these little pies up. Just trace around that and cut those out, and what we need to do now is cut our tops. So get your little pie dishes and just cut your tops out around just like that. The next thing I'm going to do is put our pastry into the bottom. There's a little non-stick pie pan or pie dish. Just put the pastry in just like I am doing there. We're getting this all together because the rest of the recipe does not take very long at all. And get your oven preheated to around about 180 degrees. Right, about 30 to 40 grams of butter. You can go into a pan. On the right hand side there, I've got around about a tablespoon worth of garlic powder and onion powder, and also some dried chives. That was around about 2 tablespoons worth of flour. Put that in, cook that out, put around about a tablespoon's worth of Dijon mustard in, and start cooking that through as well. And that is our basic roux. We're going to add in a little bit of milk just to start making up a bechamel sauce. Right, a very, very simple white sauce. So just keep stirring that through, add the milk in a little bit at a time, and let that flour reabsorb all that milk as we go. It's a case of add your milk, let it absorb, add the milk again, and let it absorb, and before you know it, you'll end up with this nice creamy sauce. It's a very, very basic recipe. It's one that I do use a lot of. Go check out some of my lasagna specialties or other little recipes that I've got on this channel. That reminds me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So we're going to make up this nice little white sauce just like that, and now we can go on to our next step. We want some nice boiling water in a pot. I've put my sauce over there on the right hand side. It's just going to sit there, keep warm. A good dash of salt that can go straight in. The water is boiling and we're ready to start cooking our pasta. I'm going to use basically I'm using little elbows, around about a cup's worth. We don't need a lot to make these little pies up. That goes in. Follow the instructions on the packet, or remove and stop cooking when they've sort of become that little opaque type color. Right, strain those off, and let's finish our stuffing off. Right, put that sauce back on a nice low heat, and now we can start adding our ham straight in. That's going to be our little salt factor for this particular dish. We don't really need a lot of salt when you've got the ham. Okay, so just put that ham straight in like that. And if you haven't had a mac and cheese pie before, you don't know what you're missing. I'm using a blend of cheddar cheeses and another Mexican type cheese blend. Just put that straight in, finely grated of course, and that will melt down quite quickly and quite simply. I've also got a good handful of some shaved parmesan, also grated parmesan. That goes straight in, and that's not going to take very long at all to melt down and turn into our mixture. A little bit of pepper to taste. I'll let you decide how much pepper you want in that. Add your pasta once it's been drained straight into our sauce. Give that a good mix, and we're just about ready to finish these pies off and get cooking. Simply just get your filling. As you can see, it's a little bit runny at the moment, but it does dry out just nicely. You end up with a real nice creamy mixture. So just divide that up between your pie dishes. I'm cooking 4 in this instance, so just add that mixture straight in, put our lids on top just like that. How easy is this to make? Crimp the tops off just with the back of a fork. Just use the fork to do all the crimping for you. Very, very, very simple. Right, get a knife, put a couple of holes in the top. It's going to let the steam evaporate out of our pies and keep them nice and crunchy. I'm also going to put a little bit of an egg wash on. Egg wash is an egg beaten up, a dash of water, mix it all up again, brush that on top, off they go. 25-30 minutes in the oven. Everything inside's already cooked. We just want to get that pastry cooked off. Now we're ready to serve up. All we simply have to do is get these pies out of our little pie dishes, nice and carefully like that, and we're ready to plate up, eat, and enjoy ourselves. Right, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media if you're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. But more importantly, you want to learn how to make interesting little snacks just like this. Well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I'm off to eat my mac and cheese with ham pies, and I will catch you next time. Bye!